It's a 2024 Genesis G70. Sophisticated elegance with athletic performance and attention to detail equals one lasting impression. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, smart device remote engine start, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, front heated bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and steering assist cruise control. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.